Want to make extra money? Learn web development. It's a valuable skill. You can earn money by building websites. Many people need websites, but not everyone knows how to make them. That's where you come in. Learning web development takes effort, but it's easier than you think. There are many resources available online. Start with online courses. These courses teach you the basics. You'll learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Free Code Camp and Codecademy are great places to start. They offer free coding lessons. Practice what you learn. You'll gain confidence as you learn. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone does when they start. Build your own websites. This is the best way to learn. Create a portfolio of your work. Start with simple websites. You can build a website for yourself, or you can build one for a friend. As you get better, you can create more complex websites. Your portfolio shows clients what you can do. Freelancing platforms are great for finding clients. Upwork and Fiverr are popular choices. Create a profile and showcase your skills. Bid on projects that match your abilities. Communicate clearly with potential clients. Set realistic deadlines and prices. Good communication leads to happy clients. Section 5. Build websites for money. Once you have clients, build websites for them. Understand their needs and goals. Design a website that meets their requirements. Use your coding skills to bring their vision to life. Deliver high-quality work on time and within budget. This builds trust and leads to more projects. Section 6. Sell website templates. Create website templates. These are pre-designed websites. People can buy and customize them. This is a great way to earn passive income. Platforms like ThemeForest sell website templates. Create templates for popular niches. Ensure your designs are modern and user-friendly. Section 7. Earn money from ads. Place ads on your websites. You earn money when people click on these ads. Google AdSense is a popular advertising platform. It's easy to sign up and display ads. Choose ads that are relevant to your content. Too many ads can be annoying for visitors. Section 8. Affiliate marketing for profit. Promote products and services on your website. Earn a commission for every sale you generate. Amazon Associates is a popular affiliate program. You can promote products from Amazon. Choose products that are relevant to your audience. Write honest reviews and recommendations. Section 9. Never stop learning. Web development is constantly evolving. New technologies and trends emerge all the time. Stay updated by learning new skills. Attend webinars, read blogs, and join online communities. Continuous learning helps you stay ahead of the curve. It allows you to offer better services and earn more money.